How on earth can something be sold without letting people know it's for sale? That's ridiculous. Here comes the imperious need of advertising your business. How did brands like Coca-Cola, Red Bull, BMW, Samsung or Apple build a financial empire nowadays? Because they've advertised the right way in the correct place. That's what you need to do. Let a professional team of digital marketers with decades of accumulated experience develop your marketing strategies. We are your digital agency, and we help both small and big business owners to maximize their online reach with personalized social media strategies. Our team will work to help your business build a better social media presence and reach more followers. The digital marketing agency we're running has helped thousands of clients worldwide already. But now, it's time to extend on Fiverr more than ever before. As a top-rated seller on Fiverr and Fiverr Pro handpicked seller, you can rest assured that your social media marketing plan is in safe hands. Remember this, your business won't make any sales if it isn't generating any leads. Get in touch with us today for a consultation, and let's mark this day as a turning point in your business's calendar.